Hello everyone, I am Barkha from InShort Tech in Webner. Today in this video, I am going to explain how you can fill multiple ACORD forms and attachments by using a REST API. Earlier, I created a video to demonstrate this process through the user interface, but in a majority of the cases, integration with the REST API will be required. So in this demo, I am explaining the same process using a REST API Postman collection. I will demo with ACORD 125, 126, 127 and 101 forms. So let's start. Firstly, we need to open the Postman application. You need to import the form cruise collection. I have already done that. You can also download the form cruise API Postman collection after free registration on formcruise.com. So for now, we need to go to the login endpoint and in the body tab, entering your email address and password is required. Password. The following parameter is security token. We need to fill the security token. For that, we need to navigate the website and in the configuration menu, I am going to click on the security option where you will see the show token option. Once selected, the token will appear. We will now copy this token and paste it here. So the token has been pasted. After that, I will click on the send button and you will see the access token is generated. As you know from my previous videos, this generated token will be used automatically in the rest of the endpoints. Now I will head over to the fetch provisioned forms endpoint. This endpoint allows you to retrieve all of the provisioned forms in your account. Let's click on this endpoint and after that just hit the send button. You will see the output is generated. So the multiple ACORD forms list will be displayed to you. I will only be using 4 forms for this demo. So firstly, I will go on the search option and write the ACORD 125 form. I will copy the form title and paste it into the next endpoint, which is the fetch provisioned PDF e-label. By using this endpoint, you can retrieve the e-labels for the provided ACORD form title. I will go to the body tab and in the form title parameter, I will paste the ACORD 125 form name here. And in the following parameter, which is the JSON type, I will write simplified here. And after that, I will hit on the send button. You will find the output is generated. So you will see the e-labels here. Now in the next step, I will directly jump to the fill PDF multiform JSON. This endpoint allows you to send JSON data to the fill multiple forms. Now I will click on the body tab and here you will see the JSON data. I have already prepared a demo JSON for this video for all forms I have to use, which are ACORD 125, 126, 127 and 101. So you will find the form title and e-labels are displayed on the top. There are a limited number of e-labels I have used for this demo. But let me show you how you can prepare this information. You need to copy the e-labels from the fetch provisioned PDF e-labels endpoint by form and use that information. For example, I will go to the fetch provisioned PDF e-labels and I will copy the e-labels for 125 form and paste them into the fill PDF multiform JSON. I won't copy all the e-labels from now on, only a few for this demo. These e-labels are not filled out, but we can also fill them here. One thing I want to tell you, I have already copied all the e-labels of 125, 126, 127, 101 form numbers. I was just only showing you how you can copy the e-labels and paste it here only for a demo. So after that, we need to click on the send button. The output will be generated. So in the output, you will also find the individual PDF download URLs. By clicking on the URL for each form, you can download the different forms also. But before that, let me show you how you can still go to see the forms if you need to change the data, add extra documents and attachments, reorder the document list, and then finalize. The important URL to look at in the output is the link to launch the forms in the browser here. So I will click on it and launch the forms. So the link is opened and you will see all the form tabs are there and the JSON data is pre-filled in them. Now in the next step, I want to add an attachment here. You can see the add non-ACORD documents button here. We need to click on this and you will find the two attachments here. I am selecting these two attachments for now, and now I'm going to click on the continue to launch button. So as you know, we can also reorder the documents according to our needs like this. So now I will click on the combine and launch button. Now you will see all the forms and attachments have been combined together. By clicking on the different tabs, you can view each form individually. You can also edit the data if you want to do. So in the next step, I will finalize the form. Let's click on the finalize form button. After finalizing it, the form cannot be edited. So I will click on the yes. The form has been finalized. If I download this form, and open it, you will see that all the forms and attachments have been combined together into a single PDF. So the process ends here. I hope this video was useful. I will be back with another video very soon. If you need any help with AL3, ACORD forms, AMS, CRM, TMS, or any other InsurTech solutions, please contact us at contact@winsurtech.com.